In the next few years, the world will change faster than most people can imagine. Not because of robots, not because of science fiction, but because intelligence itself is becoming automated. Right now, AI systems are already writing code, answering customers, creating businesses, generating videos, and helping companies make decisions in real time. But what we're seeing today is only the beginning, because we are entering the era of AI agents, not simple chatbots, not basic automation tools, but intelligent digital workers that can think, reason, plan, remember, and execute tasks autonomously. Imagine having an AI employee working for you 24 hours a day, an assistant that never sleeps, never forgets, and continuously improves. That future is already starting, and the people who understand AI agents today will help shape the industries of tomorrow. In this video, we're going beyond the hype. You'll discover what AI agents really are, how they work, why they matter, and how you can start building one yourself. Whether you're an entrepreneur, creator, developer, or simply curious about the future, this technology will impact your life. The question is no longer if AI agents will change the world. The real question is, who will build them first? Welcome to the future of intelligent automation. Let's begin.
Right now, while most people are sleeping, thousands of AI systems are already working. They are answering customer questions, analyzing markets, writing code, automating businesses, and making decisions faster than entire teams. And this is only the beginning, because we are entering a new era. Not the era of simple chatbots, but the era of AI agents. Digital workers that can think, reason, plan, execute tasks, and work for you 24 hours a day. The biggest shift in technology since the internet has already started. Most people still think AI is just a chatbot. You type a question, it gives an answer. But AI agents are different. An AI agent is designed to take action. It doesn't just respond. It can remember information, use tools, access software, make decisions, execute workflows, and continuously improve how it works. Imagine hiring a digital employee, one that never sleeps, never forgets, and can instantly scale. That's what AI agents are becoming. The modern world runs on repetitive work, and repetitive work is exactly what AI is learning to replace. Every company has bottlenecks, customer support delays, manual reporting, endless administrative tasks, slow communication, human overload. AI agents are designed to remove friction. They reduce time, reduce cost, and increase operational speed. The companies that adopt AI agents early will operate faster than competitors, not by working harder, but by automating intelligence itself. To understand AI agents, you first need to understand how they think. An AI agent typically has 5 core components. The brain is usually a large language model. This is the reasoning engine. It interprets information, makes decisions, and generates responses. Then comes memory. Without memory, an AI forgets everything. But with memory, it can learn preferences, track context, and improve over time. Next are tools. This is where AI becomes truly powerful, because now the AI can interact with the real world. It can send emails, search the web, access databases, generate reports, update systems, or even control software. Building an AI agent is easier than most people think. You no longer need massive engineering teams. Modern AI frameworks now allow individuals, startups, and even students to build intelligent systems. The first step is choosing the intelligence model. Then you give the agent memory so it can retain context and improve decisions. Then comes tool access. This transforms AI from passive intelligence into active intelligence. Finally, You define objectives. What should the agent accomplish? What decisions can it make? What actions can it perform automatically? The next trillion-dollar economy may not be built by humans alone. It may be built by networks of AI agents. Entire companies are already experimenting with AI employees, AI sales assistants, AI customer support agents, AI researchers, AI software developers, and AI operations managers. This changes everything because for the first time in history, intelligence itself becomes scalable. But every technological revolution comes with risks. AI agents are powerful, but they are not perfect. They can hallucinate, make incorrect assumptions, expose sensitive information, or automate mistakes at massive scale, which is why governance, security, human oversight, and ethical design will become critical. The future will not belong to people who ignore AI, and it may not even belong to people who simply use AI. It will belong to people who learn how to orchestrate intelligence. The builders, the creators, the architects of AI systems. Because AI agents are not replacing humans. They are amplifying what humans can achieve. Right now, somewhere in the world, someone is building an AI agent that could change an entire industry. The question is, will you watch the future happen, or will you help build it? Subscribe now to explore the future of AI, automation, and intelligent systems.